Morning YouTube, Travis Thompson, Appalachian RC. We got the T-28-TROJAN this morning on this beautiful Sunday morning. Watching the sun come up, if y'all can see it back through there. But we got a 3S2200 in here, guys, so let's start playing. Oh yeah, it should be pretty in that sun. Yeah, buddy. Here comes that sunlight up over the horizon, guys. Thing is still a blast on 3S, peoples. It is. You know, 4S gives you that extra oomph, but man, this thing's still fun with a 3S. You can see you can do anything you want. I don't know if it'll knife edge or not. I'm not a real good knife edger, but oh yeah, it's your knife edge, guys. Well, that's the first knife edge I ever did that good. Man, cool. Knife edge pretty good on 3S. And here comes the sun to blind me. Well, guys, that's the battery, so I guess we'll bring her on in. Oh yeah. So fun, guys, so fun. This plane is a blast too, just like with the others. All planes are a blast to me, but I love the way this looks, man. I want the new I want the new 1.2 meter Trojan. Man, that thing would be sweet. Well guys, I hope y'all enjoyed it. Till we do it again. Hope y'all have safe flying. God bless you guys. Hope y'all are having a nice, beautiful Sunday morning. If you haven't subscribed yet, guys, hit that subscribe button, hit that share button, hit that like button, guys. I surely appreciate it. Till we do it again. Bye, bye, bye.